Hello, this is Dante with Clark County Plumbing. I'm at address 824 East 1st Street in Camas, Washington. I've gained access to what you're looking at here, a 4-inch clay main sewer line through a 3-inch ABS cleanout on the right-hand side towards the back of the building here. I have pushed out approximately 110 feet. I will now begin to pull back and begin my video inspection. You can see a transition from 4-inch clay to 4-inch 30-34 here. And another transition from 30-34 back to 4-inch clay with a small disconnected root ball on the bottom of the sewer line. A small amount of roots. We are now in our 3-inch ABS as it exits the house here, and that concludes our sewer inspection.